There are different ways to download Morphic, but it'll always start out in your Downloads folder. Simply double-click on the icon to begin the process. If it wants to ask about installing on removable volumes, just say don't allow. There's no need to provide access to a removable volume. Click Continue and then accept the EULA and then click Install. It'll ask you for your password whenever you install something, and it's done. When you're done, you just close it. It'll ask if you want to throw it in the trash, and you may throw it in the trash now because it's done installing, and you have Morphic. Now, one more step. Just click on something like Snip, and it will ask you for permission to use the accessibility features. This is what allows Morphic to be able to operate the magnifier and the text and the zoom on your computer for you. So just click Open System Preferences, and it'll tell you to make sure it's unlocked. So you click here, and again, it'll ask you for if you have touch control, you can touch. If you don't, then it will ask you for your password either way, and that will unlock it. And then you just look for Morphic in the list here and check Go. And now the accessibility permissions have been enabled, and you're ready to use Morphic. Pointing to anything here will show you what it's about, and of course there's more on the menu here. You can also show and hide Morphic by clicking on the little icon at the top of the screen, or you can hide it here and you can show it again by clicking on the little one at the top of the screen.